That's right guys, we're back with another video. It's been a little while. You see down in front of me there, we're just on another trackway. Before we just spin round like so, you see. So basically I'm just getting rid of the all the old leaf mould basically on the sides here. What just turns, it's just mud and leaves, and it just turns to mud and blocks up, stops the water getting off the main track, so you end up with massive potholes on the side and in the middle where the cars drive, and then they take alternative routes and drive in the side in through all the mud instead of driving down the actual track. So just getting rid of it, just pushing the hump off the side like so. Push it up in the bank. So as you can see here, just pure mud in the sides. So there's a hard surface somewhere under there, but it's a long way down. Just create a bit of a divot in the side there. That means the water's got somewhere to go when it really gets really wet. Luckily we got a dry spell at the minute, so it's ideal for doing it. We've had nothing but rain really, and horrible weather for the last sort of 3 or 4 months. So load of old brick rubble and that in the bottom of there, but it don't do anything. So it's just covered in that, just a complete load of mud, slop. So we just dress it up the bank as best we can, and that is where it will stay. And here's I'm gonna have to move because there's a van coming down here now. So get out this way for all this mess. Let him get out of the way. So this mess here on the corner, scrape it back. So that is just pure mud, that is. There is actually a hard surface under there, but it's just covered in a top layer of mud. So you've got to put a bit of a fall on it this way, so the water obviously runs this way, the side where you want it to go. So I'll just put a bit of fall on there, just to help the water come this way. Just get the worst of the mud off. Obviously, all sorts of vehicles use this track, not just cars. Vans, you've got tractors use it, all sorts of lorries. Last time we did this, what I'm doing now is about, I dread to think, about 5 years ago. So it's held up pretty well considering we haven't done it for that long. I thought it would have been much worse by now, but not too bad. Literally just got a load of slop in front of me now. Take a little bit off that corner. So obviously vehicles have cut the corner off. We'll just end up with a